If you actually want to have success in life, confidence is not the thing that you need. Hi there, Carl Massy here. Welcome to my tips, tools and strategies for this month. And if you like this stuff, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you haven't already, down below is a link to do a free workshop of mine and also sign up for my weekly newsletter. So now let me explain what I mean. So I've been coaching for about 18, 19 years now, and I have so many clients that come to me and I give them a form to fill out before they come to me. And they tell me that one of the aims that they want out of the work we do together is increase their confidence, because somewhere along the line they've bought into the story or the idea that if only I had more confidence, I'd succeed. The thing holding me back is I don't have enough confidence and blah, 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 other stories on confidence. So I've got this thing where I actually don't like even using the word so much, confidence, because I think it's like overrated. And not only my belief, but my experience with, coaching for 19 years is we can have a whole lot of confidence and be looking really good on the outside. And then we hit a real challenge and we fall on our ass and we can't get up and we can't make it through whatever the challenge is. That's my experience with confidence. So I say confidence is overrated. It's like the wrong fuel if we truly want to succeed. Confidence might get you through some little things in the short term, but it's not the thing you want if you're playing the game of life, which is more a marathon than a sprint. So what do you need? The thing that I teach and the thing that's been taught for many years, going thousands of years back to the Stoics even, is courage. Courage. Courage trumps confidence every time whenever we come up against a real challenge. Courage is the stuff in our guts. Courage is the stuff in our heart. Courage is the stuff that moves us. And we don't need to look pretty with courage. Like, courage is the thing that just gets us back in the game, that sort of tries something, it doesn't work, and then having the courage to do it again. And if you go deeper into maybe the psychological side of it, Dr. David Hawkins, who wrote the book Power versus Force, he listed out different emotional levels of consciousness. And one of the things I love on the scale of consciousness as it goes up, the very lowest one is shame, the very highest one is enlightenment. Somewhere in the middle there, between the doorway of getting from lower levels of consciousness into higher levels of consciousness, getting out of survival emotional states into elevated emotional states, the doorway is courage. So that is the point where things shift and we start going up into higher might. And the reason is because just below courage is pride. Pride is where we give too much of a shit about what other people think about what we're doing. The person who succeeds has the courage to do what they need to do and cares less about what everyone else is saying, the naysayers and all of that sort of rot. So it's courage that goes much deeper. This confidence stuff is, for me, very surface level, very reflective of the world we live in that looks, is all caught up on looks. But courage is the stuff that truly, really brings you the big stuff in life, the big things that you want to achieve in your life. It's courage that allows you to have a relationship at the next level. It's courage that allows you to step into the thing that you most want to do. It's courage that allows you to leave the job that you really dislike and step onto the path of the thing that's more in alignment with your heart's calling. That's all courage. It's not confidence. So stop chasing confidence. Stop buying courses to learn how to increase your confidence. That is wasted money. Sit, tap into courage. And maybe you find a role model that is a very courageous person. Like, I see that in my partner, Ferry. Like, she will just jump into a business, bugger all planning, and just kick it off and, just have the courage to see if it works or not works and test and adjust along the way. And again, not worried about what other people think if that thing fails. But there's no such thing as failure. There's only feedback, and that feedback allows you to step up the next level and succeed at a higher level next time. So courage is the king. Courage is what you want to aim for. Stop chasing confidence. It's nice, but it's really pretty useless in the real stuff, the real game of life, which I want you to succeed in, thrive in. So that's the lesson for today. Courage is the thing. Throw away this confidence thing. It's not going to get you what you want in life. So Wherever you are on this gorgeous, incredible, fabulous planet of ours, have an absolutely fantastic day and take care. P.S. Check out the free program down below and we'll see you later. Ciao, ciao.